Factory 5 818 kit cart. They make a lot of his Cobras. I think I have an airline leak somewhere.
I thought I heard.
Yeah. Oh, that's ugly. Missed second gear.
You can do that.
Appreciate it. Luckily, my vacuum leak was easy to find, so I found another cap and put it on. I checked the engine code with my BlueDriver scanner, which I'll put a link below to how that works. And the code that came up was P0244, which after a little bit of research, I found was common for boost creep. So my turbo is unable to maintain 16 PSI like I have it set to, and it's creeping toward 18 PSI on a long run like this. So once it hits that 18 PSI, my engine cuts power to save itself, which is a good safety feature. But this is a mechanical issue. It's not really an easy fix other than putting a bigger wastegate on this or porting the exhaust housing on the current turbo. So I'll have to live with this in the short term. I honestly thought this car would be in the high 12s already, but it was my first time at the track and I was having a couple issues with the car, so maybe next time we'll get closer. Be sure to check out my other videos and thanks for watching.